Hi dear friends, in this video I will be making an apple cake called Charlotte. You can find the ingredients as always below the video. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add vanilla sugar, regular sugar, and beat with a mixer for about 7 minutes until a thick foam forms. Into the pre-sifted flour, I add a mixture of cinnamon and cardamom, stir, then add baking powder and mix everything well. I pour this mixture into the egg sugar mixture and carefully fold everything together with a spatula until smooth. Remove the cores from the apples and cut them into small cubes. I mix the finished batter with the finely chopped apples using a spatula and knead until uniform. Line the bottom of the baking pan with parchment paper and grease the edges with butter. Pour the batter into the pan and place it in a preheated oven. The temperature and baking time will be listed below the video. About 15 minutes before it's done, I cover the cake with parchment paper to prevent burning. Always check doneness with a wooden skewer. Remove the pan and let the cake cool on a rack to room temperature. Optionally, you can sprinkle the cake with powdered sugar. The baking time strongly depends on the type of apples. The juicier the apples, the longer it takes to bake. I hope my video is useful for you. See you next time, friends.